Namaste. Welcome to the video where we are going to discuss about median. What is median? In statistics, median for ungrouped data is defined as the middlemost observation in the data after arranging the data in ascending or descending order. Now, if the data contains odd number of observations, then the middlemost observation, that is the median, is given by the formula the value of n plus 1 upon 2th observation. If the data consists of even number of observations, then the formula for finding the median is half of n upon 2th observation plus n upon 2 plus 1th observation. Now let us see the application of this formula with the help of examples. Suppose we are finding the median of this following data. So the first step before finding the median is to arrange the data in either ascending or descending order. So arranging the data in ascending order, we have the first number as 6, followed by 8, then 9, 15, 16, 18, 21, 22, and the last number 25. Now if you count these data, we have 9, that is odd number of observations. We give n equals to 9 for number of observations. So for odd number of observations, the formula for median or the centermost value is the value of n plus 1 upon 2th observation. So here it will be 9 plus 1, 10 upon 2, that is 5th observation. Now counting from the first, 6 is the first number, 8 is the second number, 9 is the third, 15 is fourth, and 16 is 5th observation. So our median will be 16. Let us see one more example where we have even number of data. Now the first step again is arranging this data in ascending order. It can be arranged in descending order also. So 31, then 34, then 36, 37, 40, 43, 46, 50, 52, and the last number is 53. Now if we count this data, we have n equals to 10, which is even number. So the median is given by the formula half of n upon 2th observation plus n upon 2 plus 1th observation. So here our value of n is 10. So median is equals to half of 10 upon 2th observation plus 10 upon 2 plus 1th observation, that is half of 5th term and 6th term. So starting from the smallest number, we have 40 as the 5th number and 43 as the 6th number. So the median will be half of 40 plus 43, that is the average of the middle two numbers in the data, which comes out to be 41.5 in this case. Now sometimes the question or the data is given as the frequency distribution. The data represented in the table indicates that the number 45 or the weight 45 kg is appearing 8 times in the entire data. Similarly, 46 is coming 5 times in the data, and so on for the rest of the numbers. So for this type of arrangement or this type of frequency distribution, we use cumulative frequency. That is, we add one frequency to the previous to get the next frequency. So the first cumulative frequency will be 8 as it is. That means the first 8 numbers in the data will be 45. Now adding the next number 5 to 8, we get 13, which means from 9th observation till 13th observation, the numbers in the data will be 46. Similarly, adding 6 to the 13, we get 19, which means from 14th observation till 19th observation, the data will be 48. And similarly, it goes for the remaining data. So at last we get 41, that is the total number of observations given in the data, which is odd. So we use the formula median is equals to n plus 1 upon 2th term, which is 41 plus 1, 42 upon 2, that is 21st term. Now how to find this 21st term from the table? So from the cumulative frequency till 19th term, the values will be 45, 46 and 48. Now from 20th term till 28th term, each term will be 50. So our 21st term will be 50. Therefore, median of this data is 50 kg. Now one more example, but this time be careful and watch the entire example. A similar grouped frequency distribution is given. We will be finding cumulative frequency, that is the first frequency 3 as it is. So the value of n in this question is 40, which is an even number. So the median is given by the formula half of n upon 2th observation plus n upon 2 plus 1th observation, which is half of 40 upon 2th observation plus 40 upon 2 plus 1th observation, which is half of 20th term plus 21th term. Now if you see in the cumulative frequency till 17 frequency, the numbers will be up to 12. From 18th observation till 30th observation, the number will be 7. So our 20th term and 21st term will be 7. So half of 7 plus 7, that is half of 14, which will be 7 again. The median of this data is 7 again. But wait, this answer is wrong. If you have noticed the question very carefully, the data is not arranged in the ascending or descending order. So we have missed the first step. So I request you to calculate this sum arranging the data in ascending order and then comment your answer down below. Thank you for watching.